Okay, this is going to be quick and dirty. We've got an officer down and one more under fire at the Cherryesa family vineyards in Santa Vino. We've all heard the stories about that place, but something escalated. We don't know much about this place, so we'll be going in somewhat blind. Officer Garcia is stranded at the vineyard and taking heavy fire from all sides. Sergeant Perez is dead. LSPD is en route with all available units responding, but we need to get out there and shut it down. The Cherryesa vineyards have always kept to themselves, but this morning, the LSPD got reports of a group of women from that compound assaulting a male inside a gun store. They fled the scene in a white truck, and the plates traced back to Elaine Raskin. Now, Raskin is an interesting character. She's ex-USIA. She's got a discharge, but everything relating to her is sealed. If she's leading this thing, then we gotta be smart with how we go about everything. The Cherryesa Vineyard is a large complex with 3 primary buildings and also several small outbuildings that pose a threat. However, Officer Garcia is pinned down in the central courtyard. Our primary goal is to get her out of there, and then set up a perimeter and try to make contact with Raskin. The layout of the vineyard is being uploaded to your devices right now. Study it as we get moving, because there's no time to waste. There's been plenty of shit shows over the years with incidents like this, and I will not have this being another one. Any questions? Good. Now get your gear and get your ass in a seat. Move!
911, this call is being recorded. What is your emergency?
This is Officer Mariana Garcia. I've come under heavy fire at the Cherryesa family vineyards.
Ma'am, did you say Officer Garcia?
Yes, Officer Garcia. There's no radio reception out here. We got an officer down and I'm pinned down on all sides. I need immediate assistance.
Officer Garcia, can you please confirm your location?
Yes, I'm at the Cherryesa family vineyards. Sergeant Perez is dead and I need help. Please, send assistance now.
Okay, Officer Garcia, have you radioed for assistance?
I tried, but the reception out here sucks. Nothing but static coming through. I don't think anyone heard me.
Okay, I've put your call through to dispatch. Units are en route. Stay safe, Officer Garcia. 911, this call is being recorded. What is your emergency?
We do not want this. Our hand has been forced by the action of a society that wants to keep us weak and subservient.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this is an emergency line. I'm going to have to ask you to hang up.
They must learn to pay for their crimes.
Ma'am, I'm going to have to...
You bow down to them. You offer yourself like a cheap whore. You could be saved, but only when you realize the power they hold over you is nothing but smoke and mirrors.
Ma'am, where are you calling from?
Good. Yes. Send them all to the slaughter. We are one, and we are tired of being treated like pets and incubators for the next generation of filth.
Can I take your name, ma'am?
My name? My name is of no consequence, because we are one. They stole our bodies, our minds, and our spirits, but they could not break us. We are weak no more.
Ma'am.
We will not stop, and we will not be stopped.
Doc to Element. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go to move and clear.
Never going apple picking again.
All teams, split and provide cover on this door.
Play.
Doors unlocked.
Cover this area.
I'm getting help.
Light stick out.
Looks clear.
Moving
over
into
here, boss.
handcuff. Cuffed and ready.
This is Doc. Continue mission.
From the misery.
I'm going!
Got an
Opening
opening
on the right.
ahead.
Camlight out.
Police, down on the ground!
Empty over here.
Securing the area for any contacts.
Police, hands up! Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
LSPD, don't move!
What were they thinking? Down on your knees!
Drop the weapon!
Go
And
to
drop
hell.
the weapon! And drop the
Shut
weapon!
up.
And get down slowly! Move in, clear the room.
Moving up. Talk. Contact is down.
Lead, this is Doc. There are lives on the line. Watch it!
We got nothing here. Looks clear over here, boss.
Nothing here, sir.
Stop! Stop, stop,
I got
stop.
nothing here.
Put your fucking hands up! Put your hands up!
I don't
Hands
want
up above
anyone
your
else
head!
to
Down
get
on the
hurt.
ground! Now! Put your hands up!
Checking the bed.
Nothing here, sir.
Turn around. Keep your hands
Empty
up.
over here. No
Empty
contacts.
over here. No contacts.
Don't come any closer.
Lead the talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
Doc here. Trailers in route.
Move!
Ready.
Move in. Clear it.
Acknowledge.
Moving in! Got an opening up ahead.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Stack up.
Getting into position.
Blue team, take it down and clear.
Right with you. I got cuffs.
Knocking it down.
Move!
Red,
Opening on the right.
open and clear. Stingers.
Moving into place.
Through the door and clear.
No fucking way.
Entry team to talk. Evidence bagged.
Talk to lead. Secure it and keep going.
Opening on the left.
Good here.
Nothing.
On me, move. On me. Enter and clear.
Evidence good to go. It's safe.
Get the door and move in.
Moving into place.
Taking it down. Going in! Opening on the right.
Chem light out.
Stay on me.
I got you.
Take out that door and clear the room.
About time.
Provide some fall in behind me.
You're six.
Shotgun, bang and clear.
Moving up.
LSPD, don't move! Hands on your head, now!
Light stick out.
Dropping a light. Light stick out.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Zip it up.
Safe.
They're good.
Move in and clear it.
I'm on it.
Reaching! Nothing here, sir. I got nothing here.
I got nothing here.
Searching under the table.
Blue. Go, go, go!
In position.
Red team, move!
Stacking. Ready to knock. Reaching. Reaching! I'm going!
Opening on the left.
Doing a sweep.
Let's move.
I'm good to go.
Nothing.
LSPD, don't move!
Opening on the right.
I dropped it.
Down, now!
Get down on the ground! Police, don't move!
Police!
Get down on your knees! Get on the ground,
Putting
now!
it down.
Hands up, above your head! Get on the ground, now! Calm down.
Welcome home,
I got it.
asshole.
Elements to talk. Ready. Compliant.
Talk to entry team. Trailers en route.
Ram and clear.
No problem. Breaching. Breaching.
Let's go! Opening on the right. Looks clear over here, boss.
Hands up, do it now! Get down and keep your hands up! Requesting hands up, do it now! Provide my fall on me.
That point.
Talk to
Stay
entry
on me.
team. Proceed
Move
with
there.
your mission.
Element to talk.
Got one down.
Talk to element. Coroner standing by.
Entry team to talk.
Got a suspect down here.
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Restraining.
Cuffing.
Got him.
Ready
Got
for
it
ride.
right.
Good to go. Evidence secured.
Provide support.
Behind you.
Split the stack on this door.
Out of the
Out the way, sir.
Move in, clear the room.
In position. Moving in. Got an opening up ahead.
Good here.
Good here.
Empty over here. No contact.
Provide cover.
En route.
There.
Moving out.
Split the stack on this door.
Got it.
Move in, clear the room.
Moving in.
Got an opening here.
It's over.
Move! Opening on the right.
Empty over here. No
Nothing.
contact.
Pack it up.
Evidence secured. Move! Looks clear over here, boss.
I got nothing here.
Move!
Roger.
Get down, now!
Not leaving.
Get down, I want to see
For
hands!
me.
Going in.
Turn around. Hands on your head!
You will not hurt my sisters.
Nothing.
Looks clear over here,
Good here.
boss.
Fall in.
Got your six.
Police, don't fucking drop the weapon now! Put your hands up! Turn around.
Back it. You're in my way, sir.
Good to go.
Evidence good to go.
Lead to talk.
Talk reporting.
Perfect, ready to go.
Roger, trailers inbound.
You better keep your family
Take it down and clear.
Getting into
Range is
play.
good.
In the way, Chief.
Ready to knock. On the right. Got an opening here. Nothing.
Nothing here, sir. I got nothing here.
Secure.
Evidence good to go.
Moving. Opening
Come
on the
out
right.
and get down! Come out, now!
Empty
Get
over
down,
here.
I want
No
to see
contact.
hands! Let me see those hands! Keep your hands
Good
up!
here.
Police, get down!
I'm okay. Okay.
Hands up!
No.
Zip them up.
No.
Into handcuff. Listen to me. I have to leave.
Fall in behind me.
On you.
Civilian ready. Entry team to talk.
Civilian is good to go. Right.
Entry team, this is Talk. Move on.
Fuck, man.
Provide support on me.
Got your back.
door and move in.
Acknowledged. Knocking it down. Let's go! Opening on the right. Nothing here, sir. Nothing here, sir.
Move in and clear.
Done.
Moving!
Opening on the left. I got nothing here. Going in a cup. Out of the way, sir. Good to go. I'll save it.
On my 6.
On you.
Make sure the kids go to bed on time tonight.
Enter the room and clear.
In position. Going in!
You think you're safe?
Dynamic
by doing
movement.
this?
Move
No
and
problem.
clear. Scan that threshold.
Room clear. I'm going!
Empty over here.
No contact. Opening on the right. Empty over here.
Take out
No
that door and
contact.
clear the room.
Over here, boss. Reaching.
Breaching!
Opening on the left.
LSPD,
don't move! Empty over here. No contacts. Opening on the right. Nothing.
Ready for transport. Checking.
Talk here. We're ready.
I'm going! Good here. Nothing here, sir.
Carrier of the vine. Carrier of the vine. Carrier of the vine.
Go, go, go!
Affirmative.
Blue team, move!
Roger that. Taking it down.
Let's go!
Opening on the right. Got an opening here. Opening on the left.
Opening up ahead.
I got nothing here.
Hands on your head, do it now!
I got nothing here.
I got nothing here.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Red, begin a search. Secure any contacts.
I got
Moving
nothing.
in!
Fall in.
Got your 6.
On me, move.
Right with you. Going into cuff. Suspect ready to go.
On me.
I'm with you.
Where is she? This is far
Hands
from
up!
over.
Drop to your knees!
I'll save it. Securing. You have the right to remain silent. Need to talk. Suspect in cut. Write it down.
Stock reporting. Keep going.
Search and secure.
On edge of the area.
Make sure the kids
Secure I'll get the bed.
Looking under the bed.
I'll check the bed.
Checking.
Looking under the bed.
Search and secure the area.
Chosen for a new and better life. I gave everyone here a new life.
Search the room for contacts. Search and secure.
No problem.
You won't be able to hide anywhere.
Blue, secure the area.
Affirmative.
Start a search.
Got it.
Gold. CS now.
Deploying CS.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts. Search and secure the area.
Lead, this is Talk. Great work, entry team.